To solve this data sufficiency question, we'll consider each statement separately first and then together if necessary. And the question asks us what is the longest possible straight line contained inside a certain cube. So before we dive into the statements, let's recall that the longest possible straight line inside of a cube is its diagonal. So to recall, a cube is a regular polygon made up of 6 faces that are all perfect squares. All sides, faces, and angles in a cube can therefore be determined from just a single angle. Thus, if we were able to determine one of the cube's edges, we would be able to find all of the other dimensions, including its diagonal. So as we work through the statements, we're keeping in mind that all we need to know, or all we need to be able to determine, is one of the cube's edges in order to answer the question yes or answer the question to find the longest possible straight line. So let's go ahead and let's dive into statement 1. And we're looking for whether we have enough information to answer the question. So statement 1, we're given that one of the edge of the cubes is 10 inches. And we said before that that's enough information to find out all of the other dimensions, including the diagonal, which would be the longest straight line. So this statement alone is sufficient, and there's no additional work that we need to do. We can actually eliminate answer choices B, C, and E, and we're left with answer choice A or D. Now, to decide between the two answer choices that are left, we're going to go ahead and consider statement 2. So for statement 2, since for a cube the area of a face is the square of its edge length, if we're given the area, we can actually find the value of the edge just by taking the square root. So if we're given that the cube has an area, one of the face has an area of 100, that means the edge would be 10. If we can find the edge value, we could find all the dimensions, including its diagonal, which would be the longest possible length for the straight line inside of the cube. So this statement alone is sufficient. So we can actually eliminate answer choice A, and the correct answer would be answer choice D. Each statement alone is sufficient.